how to test the power restart status from the phone diagnostics on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on device care. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on diagnostics. Next, tap on phone diagnostics and then tap on power restart status. In here, you'll be able to test. If you already test, you can tap on the test again button. If the phone is normal, it will show a normal status. And it says here, if your phone restarted without your intent, you can check its restart history for more information. And here you can tap on view restart history for more information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.